Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you are fine. Today I want to ask you, Dad, what is important in our life? I mean, Dad, is money important in our life or are skills important in our life? If you ask me, Amir Madani, tell me what is important in our life, I will reply you, Dad, skills are very important in our life. Because if I take your money and you have only money and I will take your money, after that you are nothing in your life. But you have money and you have skills also, and now I will take your money, you are everything in your life, because you can earn money with your skills now. But if you have only money, you can't earn your you can't improve your life. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.